Welcome to the 5S system for visual workplace organization. Proper implementation of 5S can lead to significant benefits, including lower costs and higher quality. Let's dive into the 5 S's. Step 1. Sort. Distinguish between what is needed and what is not needed for regular operations. Discard or relocate what is not needed for regular operations. Step 2. Set in order. Organize things so that they are easy to use and label them so that anyone can find, use, and return them to the correct place quickly. Use visual controls where practicable. Step 3. Shine. Bring the workspace back to proper order by the end of each day. Establish responsible persons for cleanup and restocking methods. Step 4. Standardize. Maintain organization, orderliness, and cleanliness by instituting 3S duties into regular work routines. Standardize methods company-wide. Step 5. Sustain. Create a 5S culture by making a habit out of 5S. Measure performance and ensure leadership is fully committed to supporting the system. And there you have it. The 5S system for visual workplace organization. Implement it properly and enjoy the many benefits of higher quality, lower costs, and improved safety. To learn more about 5S, visit our website at emsstrategies.com.